Talk to me.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am lachelletrends, and we are jumping straight into today's video. Today's hair is from Samsbeauty. I'll be reviewing and styling the Instant Glitz synthetic drawstring ponytail in the style crimp wave, and it is 28 inches. The ponytail is also curling iron safe up to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the unit. It has an adjustable strap with 2 combs, and it has breathable elastic. The hair did come a little stiff, but the curl pattern is there. She's really cute, and nothing, any oil sheen couldn't fix. Oh, and I forgot to mention that I got it in the color 1B, which is the color of my hair. Anyways, y'all, so I'm already starting off with a ponytail because I've been wearing a bun for quite some time. So my hair is pretty much molded. I'll be using some Eco Styler gel as well as some edge control that I got from my local beauty supply store, and that is going to mold my ponytail. So I'm starting off using my denim brush to knock out the kinks and just mold my ponytail. If you know, you know. If you have natural hair, the denim brush works so good of knocking the kinks out and getting you a flat ponytail. Anyways, now I'm going in with my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just gonna again just go all around my hair with this gel and basically just mold my ponytail. So now that I got my hair all brushed out, I'm going to begin putting my ponytail into place. I'm not going to make it as tight, but I'm going to make it tight enough because, again, we still have to add the ponytail, and I don't want that much tension. And girl, yes, I was tired. Girl, I have a lot of hair, and it just gets to be a lot sometimes. Anyways, now I'm braiding the ponytail so we can form our little piece where we're going to put the actual ponytail on. You'll see it in a few minutes of what I'm talking about. When forming our little bun, which is the foundation to stick our ponytail, I try to make it as small as possible because I don't want my ponytail so high up. But you can do as you want. If you want it high up, make it taller. If you don't, make it a little smaller. Anyways, now that we got that straight, I'm going in with my jam, not the jam, girl. I'm going in with the edge control, and this combination on my natural hair works so good for me personally. Like, if you don't need this step, then don't do it, but it works so good. It lays my hair down flat like I just got a perm. So anyways, girl, I'm just pulling out some baby hairs and swooping them up. I'm trying to do the bare minimum. I don't even know why I did that middle piece, but I mean, it is what it is. We was still cute. Now that the hair is laid, I'm going to put on my scarf and probably sit about 5 to 10 minutes just to let the hair mold into place. Again, y'all, I waited 5 to 10 minutes, and now we are taking her off, and we are looking good. Like, it is laid, honey. Anyway, so now I'm going to put the ponytail on, and when I stick the ponytail on, I'm sticking it midway from the little what is it called, the bun. I'm sticking it midway in the bun, and yeah, then I'm just going to wrap it around until I can't anymore. So now to get that little piece that you wrap around to make it seamless, I have my own little piece. As you saw, It's just some regular braiding hair that I had laying around. You know, we always have that extra hair. And y'all, I'm literally just wrapping it from the start of my ponytail to the top where I put the ponytail in, and that's just gonna make it seamless and make it look like it's not even a drawstring ponytail. And this is why I say don't make the ponytail as tight, because when you're wrapping the hair around the ponytail, I kind of make this part tight just so my ponytail is snatched and we are looking good. To secure it, I used a bobby pin. Normally I would just spray some Got To Be Glue free spray and blow dry it in, but I was being lazy and did not want to get up, so yeah, I just pinned it. And girl, that is it. That is all. We are done. We are looking flawless. Like, sis, you see me. I did off camera put some oil sheen onto this unit. Again, I just didn't feel like getting up and getting it, but I told y'all the hair was a little on the drier side. After I put the oil sheen in, it did give it a little bit of movement, and we was cute. So this is what the back was giving. Again, this is a 28-inch unit, so it is fairly long as well. It is a really full unit, so be careful when you're rubbing your fingers through it because it will get bigger. But girl, she is really cute. Again, I'll have her linked in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.